Consuming fast food frequently can have several negative effects on your health, both in the short term and long term. Here's a breakdown of the potential impacts. Short-term effects. Blood sugar spikes and crashes. Fast food is often high in refined carbohydrates and sugar, which can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels followed by a crash, leading to fatigue, irritability, and cravings for more sugary foods. Increased blood pressure. The high sodium content in many fast foods can lead to a temporary increase in blood pressure. Dehydration. Fast food meals are often low in fluids and can contribute to dehydration. Nutrient deficiencies. Fast food tends to be low in essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which can lead to deficiencies if it becomes a regular part of your diet. Long-term effects. Weight gain and obesity. Fast food is typically high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium, which can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of obesity. Increased risk of chronic diseases. Regular consumption of fast food is linked to an increased risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease. High levels of saturated and trans fats in fast food can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Type 2 diabetes. The high sugar content and refined carbohydrates in fast food can impair insulin sensitivity and increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. Certain types of cancer. Some studies have linked a diet high in processed foods and unhealthy fats to an increased risk of certain cancers. Digestive issues. Fast food is often low in fiber, which can lead to constipation and other digestive problems. Mental health issues. Some studies suggest that a diet high in processed foods and low in nutrients may contribute to mental health issues such as depression and anxiety,